Okay, so to do our half double crochet increase, we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook in the next stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to work off all three at the same time. Just yarn over and point your hook down and you'll slide through all your stitches nice and easy. And our first half double crochet is complete. Now we're going to go right back into that same stitch. We're going to yarn over and go back in, pull up a loop, yarn over, point down, and get through all three again. So that is a half double crochet increase. Sometimes you'll see it as a half double crochet 2 times in the next stitch. You can also do any number of increases. So if it says HDC 3 times, you're just going to keep going back into that same stitch 3 times, usually like on a corner of some sort. When you're going to do 3 or more, or a shell stitch. So put as many as it tells you to do in that same stitch. So that is the half double crochet increase. If you need a more slower in-depth video, check out my half double crochet increase videos, and thank you for watching.